Hello, this is the notes for lesson 12.3, inscribed angles. This is a picture of an inscribed angle where all 3 points are on the circle. So the angle is actually on the circle. So the measure of an inscribed angle is half the measure of its intercepted arc. So on this picture, arc AC, you're going to take whatever arc AC is and then divide it by 2. So for example, if AC was 100, arc AC was 100, then the angle, the inscribed angle would be 50 because that's half of the arc. Next problem. The measure of an angle formed by a tangent and a chord. Here's your chord, here's your tangent. The arc inside is half the measure of its intercepted arc. So if you're talking about BC here, so arc BC, you would take that and divide it by 2. All right, next, we're going to draw some pictures down here at the bottom. 2 inscribed angles that intersect the same arc are congruent. So for an example, number 1 here, you have a circle and you have an inscribed angle. We'll call it ABC here. So angle C, and then you have another inscribed angle. We'll call that one ADB. So angle ACB is going to be congruent to angle ADB because they intercept the same arc right here. So they both go through arc AB. So therefore, these 2 angles are congruent. Number 2, an angle inscribed in a semicircle is a right angle. So if I have a semicircle, in other words, there's a diameter, an inscribed angle inside of a semicircle is a right angle. So this would be a right angle. Another example would be if I came over here and then came back over there, that's a right angle. All right, and then the third one, the opposite angles of a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is a 4-sided figure inscribed in a circle are supplementary. So, for example, number 3 would be I have a circle and I have a shape that's a 4-sided figure. The opposite angles are going to be opposite angles are supplementary. So in other words, they add to 180. Okay? An inscribed angle has a vertex that is on the circle and the sides that are chords of the circle, and the sides are chords of the circle. An intercepted arc is an arc with endpoints on the sides of an inscribed angle and its other points in the interior of the angle. So here, AB, arc AB, is the intercepted arc right there. And angle C is the inscribed angle right there. That's the inscribed angle.